back to another video, and my name's Zach the Builder, and today we're going to be cleaning the fish tank. Now I'm going to need to get some towels. We're going to take off the light next, and then take out all the plastic, that and that and that are going to come out, and those. Those are all over there. Where did all the fish go? Look how free it looks. This took up most of the area. It smells terrible. Little cleaner, and get a real good clean on it. Just let's make the dome again. Cool. Cool. Yeah. Just get that out. Cover the bubble. My arms feel so weird. Get out. Get out. Hey, hey. This is the bubble around the rocks. Some of it, as you can see, there's some yellow rocks. So now all the now they're gonna get cleaned down there, and then next time we clean it, they'll get launched up to here, and the ones that were on the top would go down and get cleaned. It's kind of like a process, but I, wipe down the stuff that was in the tank. I'm gonna tell you something. What I did do, sometimes if I have it, if I have time and I'm just bored, I just want to do something besides making a video, I would probably just play with Legos. I'd just make a Lego set. And while my dad was gone getting the fish, we're gonna put fish in the video. No fish. So, while my dad was gone, blah, 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 fast forward, I found a Lego set that looked fun to make. And I noticed it's gonna take me 10 years to build, because it had more than 100 pages. I think it goes into the thousands, I'm not sure. It's a pretty high number when it ends. That it? Nope. A little bit. I'm gonna move this giant one back in the corner. Did I crack it? Okay, good. No. I hear it filling up with water. Here or here? Tell me down below. I'm gonna put it here for now. Whatever one gets the most comments, well, we'll put it. If this one gets the most comments, we'll have it there. If this one gets the most comments, we'll have it there. You need to stay in there, mister. Some rocks out here. Let's cut down these. I got the layout done, and now best part, we're gonna add some new fish for them to settle. Oh yeah, we also need to put that in after. Let's just put this fishy. Look at that. Is that tight? Oh, we got another shark. Yes, go. That's a shark right there. You didn't know. It's a baby shark. Tiger? It's a red-tailed shark. That's just gonna land in that beautiful fish that we used to have and it died. I just feel it vibrating. Get used to the water, my fellow friends. What is in here? Oh, I did not look up. I did not know why I did not look up. What type of fish is this, Dad? Gorman. Look how long sensors he has. Those little lines you see there? That's how he moves around and know where he's going at least. Cause I'm gonna tell you a fun fact. Fish eyes are hard to see through, so they kind of use their sensors. Set a timer for 15 minutes.
Second timer, 15 minutes, starting now, and a 30-minute timer with about 29 minutes and 44 seconds left. Which one do you want to cancel?
30 minutes.
30 minutes timer canceled.
I'll be right back when the timers have gone off, and now I'm gonna let the fish out. Ooh, yikes! They're out. That would be so. Dad, could you get that on camera? Phew. Look at that. And now the top is just hilarious. Go back and grab another two. That's what it for today's video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up and the bell right there. I'm not sure. And